Welcome to another session where we talk about some of the capabilities and how to use the small manufacturing software. Today we're going to look at the ability to export data, use a program like Microsoft Excel to manipulate data after you've exported it out. So just this main point that we're going to go over is just how the data comes out and how you can work with it after that. So for this example, we'll look at a custom query, which any of our grids can be exported to Excel. And just like even the items list, you can press the export and go to in Excel. And with that, then it opens up Excel and you see the data that it's there. And so you can see it with the columns and the definition of what it's got. One thing to note is if it's in doubt, it interprets a number as text. So you can see here where it's the unit price. Well, that's obviously a number, and but you can use this function that I'm highlighting right now, or this drop down, to convert it to a number. And so you can highlight it and then convert it. So it's safer for us when we're exporting it out to export it as text, because you run into these guys. This is a blank spot or a null, and if you try to say that's a number, then Excel doesn't like you. It comes up with an error message. So we export anything that looks like a number to be as text, but you can highlight a row or a group of data and use this little drop down that Microsoft provides to convert to number. Once you've done that, then you can use it in formulas, and that's the main thing that limits you there. So that's how you do it from the items screen. I'm not going to save this, and then let's go to like the custom queries. You can do the same thing. So under custom query, pick this check average cost. We'll say go. You right click in here and say in Excel. It opens up the Microsoft Excel, and again you see these are strings or text to begin with, so there's not that little green triangle in the upper left hand corner. But in this case you can go to the bottom and highlight those boxes, and you can hit the drop down and convert to number. You can also do things like highlight the entire spreadsheet, double click on it, and now it formats the width to the maximum of the data, or you can change them all to be the same size. So there's a few things that you can do, because now you could do a formula to say equals, this minus this value, and get a value as comparison and drag it down like you would normally do in Excel. So thanks for checking out a few of the features that we can do with exporting data.